the systems underlying modern industry are becoming increasingly complex and increasingly interconnected. There's going to be vast amounts of data that people don't necessarily know what to do with, and that's become a key bottleneck for lots of industries.
Optimization has such a huge impact in the world, such as energy, manufacturing, transport, and defense.
So we are focused on mathematical optimization, and we try to find the best solver in the world to solve the real-world and the large-scale optimization problem.
Cutting-edge fundamental physics is quantum mechanics or the quantum field theory. So I believe that quantum technology is a helpful technology to find new science. JIJ founded at 2018, and also our headquarters is Tokyo. Our mission is to solve the social complex problems with some of the computing technologies. So conventional method can beat the academic benchmark. However, our optimization technology more aim to solve the customer's heuristic problem. So we also focus on the quantum classical hybrid software. By this approach, our solver can outperform the conventional method in the realistic industrial data.
The optimization is a bit complex for technology point of view, and a real user is like employee in a factory or like working in the office more than like researchers. That's why we provide a platform which include the various optimization algorithm to our software called the JIJ, and we provide to the customers.
Most critical part for optimization problem is understanding your optimization problem and the growth constraint and the variable. So our JIJ Zip solver actually is the pipeline to making industrial problem to mathematical problem, and to our zip solvers library, like classical solver and quantum-inspired solver and quantum solver. And also recently we adopted the AI approach to accelerate this optimization pipeline for our customer in the industry.
The business impact is such a huge, especially in energy. The impact is maximized like 1,000 billion of the US dollars in a year.
So the unit commitment problem involves deciding when to start up or shut down generators in order to meet power demand at minimal cost. The unit commitment problem is very difficult because they've got thousands, if not millions of variables, hundreds of thousands of constraints. So we're using a classical decomposition algorithm to take very large mixed integer linear programming formulation of the unit commitment problem, and then it's going to subdivide it into a bunch of time slices, and then each of those is then put into a qubit formulation ready for quantum processing. So when we come in with our software, with our expertise, and we're able to take planning down from 6 hours to 1 minute, that really has a massive impact.
So this project, we collaborate with our industrial partner, BP, and then NQCC, the National Quantum Computing Center in the UK, who provide our OCA computing photonic QPUs. And we provide the software and the middleware layer to solve this unique commitment problem. So this is one of the proof of concept that we can use our hybrid solver to solve the energy use cases.
We have our overseas branch at the UK to expand our business to the Europe and also the overseas. So Japan side ecosystem is currently growing. However, the UK has already a good and also huge ecosystem in the quantum sectors. They have a lot of the application partner and also software algorithm partner and also hardware partners. So the opportunity is very good for us to create a more good middleware for the quantum classical hybrid optimizations.
To solve the problem, we cannot do by ourselves. We need to join with the other stakeholders. So like to provide a hardware or like end user player. And we have almost like 60 projects already. And half is real business use case, half is more like a deep tech and quantum projects. That's why this is our one of the strong contribution point in this ecosystem.
By being problem focused rather than technology focused, we're really concentrating on what the customer needs rather than building technology for the sake of building technology. So by focusing there, especially in the quantum market, we're able to bridge between where we believe quantum computing will get used and all of the quantum technology providers that are there at the moment. So really acting as that bridge between these two communities is where we see JIJ sitting, and we believe that's one of our key strengths.